Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Rust on Linux. So first of all we will go into the official Rust website and we'll see basically what are the instructions for installing Rust on Linux. So I will type Rust for Linux and I will press enter, and right now I can close that, it's not important, and I think write something right like here. You have the official website of Rust and we can click on that. This is the install Rust website, and right now using rustup recommended. It looks like you are running macOS, Linux or another Unix-like OS. To download rustup and install Rust, run the following in your terminal. Then follow the on-screen instructions. 3 other installation methods if you are on Windows. This is not for us, we are on Linux, so we will use that. But before, we need to make sure that our kernel is installed on our system. How do we do it? Basically, we have to open the terminal and we have to type in kernel and ---- version. It is not installed because it is not installed by default on the Ubuntu, for example. So we have to install it manually right now. So sudo apt install and kernel. We will type in our password and we have to wait a bit. This is not a big tool, so it will not take a long time. So we can clear that, and right now we can copy this comment and paste to our terminal. So right now we can copy it and paste right there by clicking, of course, the right button on the mouse and then the paste. We can press enter, and as you can see, downloading installer, and we have 3 options. Proceed with the standard installation, default, just press enter. We will use that, we will just press enter in a second. Second option is customize installation. If you are more advanced and you want to customize your installation, you can choose the second option, and the third one is cancel installation. We will not do it because we want to install it. So I will just press enter. If you want to, for example, use the second option, you have to just type in 2 and press enter. So I will just press enter in order to install it by the default. Right now we have to wait. After the installation, we will basically check if our Rust is installed by using this command rustc ---- version, and we will see if it will be correct. But right now, as you can see, we are installing our components. So for example, rustc, as I said before, rustdocs, ruststd, and so on. We have to wait again, and as you can see, our Rust is installed. And the very important thing to say is that right now it probably will not work, because if I type in rustc ---- version, as you can see, it is still not working. That's because we have to reload our shell. As you can see, to get started, you may need to restart your current shell. How do we restart our current shell? That basically means that we have to log out and log in into our account. So we can press right here, we can press on this, I think, and press on logout, yes, and we can press on logout. We can wait, and we can log in again by typing in the password and pressing enter. And right there we have to again open the terminal, and we can now try again to type in rustc ---- version. And as you can see, my rustc 1.92.0 is installed and it is working. So that's basically how you can install Rust on your Linux system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.